Wish we had smell-o-vision. That smells so good.
What old Darryl about to do now? All right, peeps. We got ourselves a nice pork shoulder here. We tired of buying them Italian sausage from the store that's grounded up, and it costs us like $6 for just a pound, a pack. So I got myself a 4-pound pork butt for only $6. Caught it on sale at my local market. I can't pass that up. So I said, you know what? I'm going to experiment and make my own Italian sausages. So I got 4 pounds here. So that means I'm going to get, even with shredding it down, at least 3.5 pounds worth of sausage. So man, I ain't saved triple. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy cut up. We got a bone-in one. Got my bone-in knife. See if I know what I'm doing. I love this knife. It was so economical on Amazon. I paid like $10 for this. I want to try to get the bone as neat as possible. All right. I got as close to the bone as possible. But save this and use it for some stock or something. All right, folks, before I get to chopping up this meat, I'm going to let y'all know my seasonings that I'm going in for this Italian sausage mix. I got 2 tablespoons of kosher salt, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of fennel, 1 teaspoon of red crushed pepper flakes, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 1 tablespoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon of oregano, teaspoon of sage, a half teaspoon of rosemary, and finally a half teaspoon of nutmeg. All right, back to cutting. All right, let's cut this meat up so it can go up into the meat grinder. Cut up in little cubes just like that. You don't need to cut it super small. It's like this is cool. All right, let's get on to our next step and do some seasoning to it. Oh, you good old seasoning. Let's throw some pieces of fat in there from some bacon. Help it be super delicious. Yeah, there we go. All right. Good old hand mixture. This is cooking therapy, y'all. Mixing this stuff by hand. It's starting to smell like sausage already. I can't wait to eat this on some pizza, mix it with some pasta. So I'm gonna throw this in the freezer for about a half an hour. And then we're gonna get that meat grinder going and make us some sausage, baby. From scratch. Hey, y'all, almost forgot my secret ingredient. That garlic up in there, right? Boom, 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 boom. Throw that garlic up in there, y'all. Got my push down. It's a meat plunger. Proper term for it. I call it push down. You know where that thing at? You know, the push down.
That sound like a dance move.
All right, let's fire up.
Wish we had smell-o-vision. That smells so good.
Yeah, it's doing this job. All right, come on, get that last little grind. Come on. That's the last of it here. That's the last of it. You smell that? You smell that, guy?
That smells great.
So we're gonna go ahead and get it emulsified just a little bit more. I got me some ice cold water. So we'll be right back. This is a lot of sausage. All right, you go ahead. Do like Mama Liz say, take it slow. Might not need that much water. Then it's gonna go here, half cup water. Now don't that look sausagey to you?
Yes, it does.
I'm gonna let this sit a few hours, probably overnight, and then we're gonna do a taste test, see if we miss anything, and everything's all good. All right, so I'll see y'all back in a few, so we can taste and see how we did. So let's see how much sausage we came out with. So that's 2 pounds, yeah. 3 pounds and 13.2 ounces. That's how we fight the system. So what I did was let the sausage marinate overnight. Ooh, see how that look, baby.
Yeah.
Let's just see how it tastes. Take a small little portion like that. Give it a little taste. Cooked up nicely. Sausage is ready. Let's see. Oh, some nice little amount of grease.
Oh my goodness.
That fennel really makes the difference.
Yes, it does.
All right, y'all.
Good.
That's it. I like it. What I'm about to do now is go ahead and make me a pizza with it. That's gonna be in another video. But yeah, that's how y'all make the sausage and everything. Italian sausage. Catch you on the next one. Like and subscribe. Peace.